Stir-fry celery with them. 5 to 6 celery stalks. 3 to 4 slices of chicken. 2 garlic cloves, chopped. 1/2 tsp chicken seasoning. 2 tablespoons oil. 1 tablespoon water. Pinch of salt. Clean and cut celery stalks to 2-inch sections and cut to julienne strips. Slice ham to julienne strips. Heat up 1 tablespoon oil. Stir-fry ham until light brown and fragrant. Dish out and keep aside. Heat up 1 tablespoon oil. Sauté chopped garlic until fragrant. Add in celery strips and stir for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon water, chicken seasoning and a pinch of salt. Stir for another 2 minutes. Add the ham and stir till evenly mixed. Dish out to serving plate. Enjoy. For a crunchy taste, do not fry the celery too long. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes, just long enough to cook the celery and remain crunchy at the same time. Carrots can be added in, cut to julienne strips and stir in together with the celery.